Survival rope costs money you don't have to spend. In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn how to twist natural fibers into strong cordage using only materials from your backyard or local area. Step 1. Gather your fibers. Collect dried plant material like cattail leaves, bark strips from dead trees, or dry grasses. Look for fibers that are flexible, not brittle. Test by bending. They should bend without snapping. Step 2. Prepare your fibers. If your material is stiff, soak it in water for 30 minutes to make it pliable. Then lay fibers flat and gently crush them with a rock or stick to separate the strands and increase flexibility. Step 3. Create your first strand. Take 3 to 4 fibers and twist them together tightly between your palms, rolling away from your body. Keep tension constant. When the strand gets too short, overlap a new fiber and keep twisting. Step 4. Braid 3 strands into rope. Once you have 3 twisted strands, lay them parallel and braid them tightly, over, under, over, under. The braid distributes tension evenly, making your cordage stronger than a single twisted strand. Pro tip: don't rush the twisting. Loose cordage will unravel under load. The tighter your twist, the stronger your rope. Test your finished cordage by pulling hard before trusting it with weight. What natural materials grow near you? Chalk your best fiber source in the comments. Follow Sikho for more survival and DIY skills. Visit Sikho.ai.